Yes, of course, every man wants to change the game. Every man wants to be a man. Every man wants to change his sex life. Every man wants to make his partner happy. What is the benefit of the mathematic issue if you don't feel as a man, if you are not in full control? So this is an amazing recipe that will make you in full control of whatsoever you are doing in your mathematic issues. It's your favorite 237 chef vibes with your best of kitchen recipe. Today I will be sharing with you this amazing recipe just for free. Be a man and make it harder, make it longer, and most importantly, last longer and make her scream for more. So first of all, we'll start with the onion. Onion contains fibers and folic acid, vitamin B that helps in building new cells in the body. Onions are healthy whether raw or cooked, but consuming raw onion have higher levels of organic sulfur compounds that helps in many benefits in the body. Then second, we'll go with the cucumber. Though 80% of the cucumber is full with water, but cucumbers are high in nutrients and low in calories. It promotes hydration and it helps in weight loss. It lowers the blood sugar, keeps your kidney healthy and freshen your breath. Next we go with the garlic and ginger. They helps in boosting your immune system and reduce high blood pressure. It helps in reduce the cholesterol levels in the body. Garlic also helps in antibiotic properties and helps prevent cancer. The next ingredients we'll be using for this recipe is honey. Honey is a good source of antioxidant and nutrition, antibacterial and antifungal property. It helps in increase the brain function. It helps in sore throat and cough. It also have many benefits of the body that you will not imagine. So with the part we are about to work today, it's very important we combine all these ingredients together, then we'll be good to go. Particularly I'm using the red onion for this recipe, but if you don't have the red onion you can as well use the white onion, but preferable I prefer the red onion for this recipe. So this is how we begin. And also you can use any of the cucumber you have, but I preferred the English cucumber for this recipe. The English cucumber is preferable for this recipe. Just half of the ginger is a good deal, but make sure it's a little big size of your ginger. About 10 to 12 loaves of your garlic. It's good for this recipe. Then we need to include 1 cup of water. I'm including 1 cup of water. And we are ready for the blending. we are done with the blending, you just need to strain all what you get. Use a simple tablespoon to help you get it. All the strain part also, if you feel you are a man enough, if the taste is okay for you, this is one of the best parts you can consume. But if you can't, only the juice is enough for you. The blending, that is when you are adding just a tablespoon of your natural honey, at least to ease the taste, to make it a little bit sweet so that it will be easy for you to consume. After the 1 tablespoon of honey, if still not bearable for you to consume, then you can add 1 more. So just make sure you stir it very well until it is completely combined. So with this wonderful and energetic drink, you just need to take very early in the morning with an empty stomach, at least 2 hours before you eat your food. Then at night also, before you go to bed, make sure you take it 2 or 3 hours after your meal. This should be the last thing you take on your stomach before you go to bed. At least, again, 1 hour before the tea time. You understand what I mean? It's an amazing benefit of this drink. Make sure you try this recipe and comment down below. Peace out. It's your favorite 237 Share Vibes. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.